Hello everybody, welcome to the news desk where we have breaking news coming out of the Samsung camp about the Galaxy Fold. Yes, the Galaxy Fold. As you know, the Galaxy Fold a few months went into hospice care. Then it went from hospice care to urgent care. Now it's in recovery. I have Eric from Easy Computer Solutions live on location to give us a full update on the Galaxy Fold. As you know, a few months ago, the Galaxy Fold had some issues with screens and stuff like that. And it immediately went to the Samsung Memorial Hospital in hospice care, and now it went from hospice care to a recovery state. And I'm gonna tell you, we've been waiting on this breaking news for a long time. So without further ado, we're gonna send it out to Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, where he's live at Samsung Memorial Hospital. Eric, take it away. Yes, newsroom, I am live on location at Samsung Memorial Hospital, and I'm in a room here with the Galaxy Fold, and I'm looking at the machines, and the machines right now looking all green. Now, Samsung doctors have told me that the Galaxy Fold is making a full recovery. Right now, they're going to do some observations to make sure that everything is good with the Galaxy Fold. As you know, the Galaxy Fold was in hospice care a few months ago, then it went into urgent care, and now it's making a full recovery. Now, the doctors also expressed that they want to make sure that everything about the Galaxy Fold is good. Now, we got a date, which is September. Now, that is a good thing. As you can see, the Galaxy Fold right now is making a full recovery, and I am so glad that we are here around the clock to make sure all the progress about the Galaxy Fold is reported to you guys. But right now, the Galaxy Fold is doing good. Some of the things that the Samsung doctors have told me is that the screen has been reinforced. Also, some changes with One UI that they've been working on for a while to make sure that the user experience is good. So that is a good thing. They have a full article on the Samsung.com page, but all the issues that we had with the Galaxy Fold with one side of the screen going out and the screens buckling, and people thought that they had screen protectors on them and stuff like that, all those issues has been resolved. All those issues has been fixed. So that's a good thing. So as you can see, that the Galaxy Fold right now is in full recovery, and it's out of hospice and it's out of urgent care, and right now it's in observation. That is a good thing. So as you can see, the Galaxy Fold is ready for prime time, but they don't want to push the gun yet. We want to make sure that the Galaxy Fold is 100% before it leaves the hospital and ready for prime time. Stay tuned. We're going to have full coverage of the Galaxy Fold, and I'm going to be live on location every time we get breaking news right here. Thank you, newsroom. Thank you, Eric, for that update. And now we know that September will be the month that the Galaxy Fold will attempt to be released out of the hospital. This is groundbreaking news right now, because we didn't know that the Galaxy Fold was going to get released. So we've been staying on top of this story 24 hours, 7 days a week to give you full coverage on what's going on with the Galaxy Fold. So stay tuned to Easy Computer Solutions, where we're going to give you full in-depth news and everything in between about the Galaxy Fold. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Fold and this breaking news in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.